Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to my channel, Psychological Counseling with Purva. I am a retired army officer. My name is Captain Purva, and I am working as a psychologist and a professional psychological counselor for past almost 12 years. Friends, those who are new to my channel, I would request them to please kindly subscribe and share to this video and channel, and like button be press kare. First of all, the aim of making such videos based on psychological disorders is to spread the awareness amongst the mass so that people can know, yes, these are the disorders, these are the issues we are going through. They are not the only ones. We have also gone through these issues in our lives, and we are also struggling to find the ways out to have a happy life and healthy life. So, friends, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be grateful, and let me know any kinds of new topics you want me to cover and make videos on. So, first of all, my topic for today is social anxiety disorder, that is SAD. As the name itself explains, social anxiety disorder, we are anxious while in the company of others. We are not comfortable. We want to hide from people. We want to have our own world. We are not ready to face them. Maybe it is through any relationship or public speaking or through any other platform. What makes us feel that we are anxious? We don't want to leave our comfort zone. There are so many factors which play a role in becoming a social a person with SAD, with social anxiety disorders. What happens gradually as we are brought up also, the way we are surrounded with other people, the way we are told at home and by our elders that seriously don't unnecessarily speak, don't mind your words. That is good that they are teaching us. But again, what happens? We are so much careful. We start becoming person with a lot of precautions that we fear opening our mouth at times. We start checking ourselves so much. That is in a way a good habit, but too much of anything is not good. This keeps us away from meeting other people. We are so much judgmental about our own deeds. How am I going to speak? Because this is being fed into our minds. So be very careful how you're being taught, how you're being told, and what you choose to become. If you really feel that you can't open your mouth in public, please try to learn to open your mouth in a better manner. Try to learn to speak and communicate with others. This happens when sometimes also some people tell us that we have done much more in our age than you. What will you do if you go and meet 10 people? You can't answer anything to them. You can't handle. You can't talk. You have no knowledge. So this makes our self confidence go low. It falls down. We become very insecure. We are depressed. We go inside the cocoon so that no one disturbs us. We don't trust ourselves. That's the problem actually. We don't trust ourselves that yes, I can speak. It's okay, friends. Please come out of your cocoon. Nobody is perfect. Even I speak at times, sometimes, like maybe it is sometimes very casually if I speak with my friends or family. But then that is myself, not professionally. You should know what is your personal life and professional life. So sometimes, all the time, do not keep a professional attitude when you are with your personal friends or in a personal circle. There you have to distinguish what is a personal life and professional life. Now, how to cure this? How do we overcome this anxiety of society or the social anxiety disorder? It's like what case came to me, I remember there was a small child who used to get scared whenever the pressure cooker would whistle. So, through CBT, through cognitive behavior therapy, we make the child face the whistles gradually. धीरे धीरे चाइल्ड को कुकर के पास ले जाइए when it is about to whistle. One day it sees half a whistle coming, another day one whistle, the second day two whistles, third day two whistles, three whistles, like this gradually increase the number of whistles in front of the child. You will trust my words, the child will stop getting scared of this. There was another case, a girl used to fear going near the swimming pool, fearing that she will be drowned. But gradually, with the CBT only, she was given exposure to the empty swimming pool. Then, with the water-filled swimming pool, gradually, after a few days, she was asked to step into the swimming pool, one step and two steps. This way, she knew, yes, the swimming pool is not going to gulp her. She is not going to, drown. She is not going to succumb. She will survive. And she did. She became a very good swimmer later on after learning with a few days practice. So the bottom line, friends, through CBT and other behavior therapies, you can definitely overcome this social anxiety disorder, any kind of disorder, any kind of behavior disorder. This you have to keep in mind that yes, the more you are being focused on improving rather than the problem itself, then you will know, yes, I know the solution, I have solution in my mind, and I will be able to make it one day. I will be successful. So keep it in mind, practice makes a person perfect. With lots of practice, with lot of exposure to the same thing, gradually your confidence will increase. You will improve in that skill. Your skills will improve. Whether it is leaving your comfort zone, leaving your home, going to a new place, meeting new people, this will become a part of your life as and when you progress in life. These are common things happening to anybody in life, but don't get scared. Have this thing in your mind that yes, I will overcome these with lots of practice and gradually following the tips. All right, friends. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you will be benefited from this video, and I request you again, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel and encourage me also to contribute more in this direction. The main motto, the main aim of making these videos by me is to spread the awareness about the psychological disorders and psychological issues amongst the people. Thank you so much for being there. Jai Hind. Namaskar.